Oh, so this is the food court. ये food court पे हम आ चुके हैं. वहाँ से भी काफी book. Oh, toilets, bro. Virgin books, games, music, films. So this is all attire from small Legos. Michael Kors, Nespresso. You, Nespresso. You, big screen. Wow, looks good, but is that on sale? Chopard. Guys, welcome to Yes Mall. Oh guys, Rolex is just so beautiful. तो अभी मैं पहुंच चुका हूँ अबू धाबी के सबसे वेल नोन मॉल यस मॉल यस मॉल. तो अभी हम आए फरारी वर्ल्ड पे जाने के लिए. साइक you think I want to go to Ferrari world? You think? Good. You think? Good, you did not expect it. Chopard. Chappad. Uls Nairon. Really funny name. Wow, looks good, but is that on sale? Yo, mom. Not bad. Okay. Chappad. Oh, sorry, Porsche. Huawei has better watches for Porsche edition. Huawei Porsche edition is so good. So guys, Indian restaurant Asha. Time वाली. हाँ मैं वाली हूँ. लोल. You big screen. दिव्या. तो ये खाने क्या खाना और मिठाई की दुकान है. Michael Kors Nespresso. Ooh, Nespresso. Vapino, the Cheesecake Factory, boys. Cheesecake Factory. Guys, मैं ढूंढ चुका हूँ जो मैं ढूंढ रहा था. Time to buy some Legos. Ooh, sheesh. Oh, ये रिलीज हो चुकी है by the way. Guys, do you mind if I take one please? ओए H तो खा चुका है. And you know, P0 standard. Oh, hello. Italia. So this is all attire from small Legos. Good job. And that's how it looks from the interior. What do I buy? The batter? What? Oh yes, sir. Sion, McLaren. Wait, what? No, I wanna buy something new this time. Oh, the Batmobile. How much is this? Great. I really love this model of the Lego, like the way they have made the backside look so good. Like as you see the single detail over here as the ladder is a ladder. I was gonna buy this one. You can check the price as well. 329. It's better I buy the Batmobile actually. I just saw the Batman movie. Whew. You know what? I'm just gonna come back. Yo, this one works with mobile. This one is way cheaper than I thought. The Jeep Rubicon costs 249, and this one is a little bit expensive. Let's go. So I'm gonna buy one right now. Let me just come back. Ooh, Ferrari Daytona SP3. Bro, I love it so. Wait. You can make this small ones. So it is Supra, bro. Yo, I'm gonna dig in. Okay. Now, very sus. So we have Virgin over here. Virgin books, games, music, films. Okay. Yes, sir. Shake Shack. Oh, so this is the food court. Yeah, food court पे हम आ चुके हैं. वहाँ से भी काफी बुक. Oh, toilets, bro. ये सब देख के काफी अच्छा लग रहा है. Like I'm getting uncontrollable. Like, there we go.